Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a montage in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to start creating your project, and basically you can go to the file menu, new projects, and then create a new project. And after that, you will be able to start dragging and dropping your media. So you can simply go to the media, import, and here you will add your media. Either it can be an image, audio, music, video, or whatever. And then you can just to start drag and drop. So basically, from here you will be able to drag and drop your media. So it can be anything. So we can just for example, we will do whatever here just as an example. And from here you will have the ability to start clipping your text or your clips. And basically from here we are just going to shorten this one and making this one shorter again. And let's stick them, and basically you will be able to start a transition, and basically you will have uh, some kind of transition that you can add. And for example from here this one will be fading to open a new one, or you can have something like that, and basically it will be showing. You can do whatever you like from here. And basically you can also shorten the time for a transition, and then you can start adding effects to some kind of a video. For example, we can add blurring. You can see all the kind of uh, the effects that you might have. And as you can see, also you can start adding filter to enhance the coloring and the images of your video. You can just simply drag and drop into your videos, and basically you will have everything that will be applied. Also you can start adding audio. You can editing audio on the videos. So basically on each element it will have this settings panel where you can change the temperature of color, and basically let's go here, and as you can see it will be changing its temperature. You can find curves, the HCL, where you can change the some kind of color values, and as you can see the red color is changing, etc. So basically that's it. And at the end you will be needing just to export your video, and you will have your montage that will be ready to be posted or just kept in your local, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.